This chef puts his cleaver in a circle around the body of the fish. The fish meat separated instantly. Then he gently touched with his hand, accurately locate fish spines in the meat and quickly remove them cleanly. And the other party was even more skilled. Gently slide a kitchen knife over. Also made quick cuts. Turned the whole salmon into square pattern cuts. Then slid out from the fish tail upwards. The fish meat was perfectly separated without damaging the skin. The man's name is Paul. A dish of his called 3-cup chicken risotto is well known. Cut the chicken in half, then cut it into pieces. Stir fry the seasoning with the chicken nuggets. Add 1 cup each of soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine for flavor. Then pour into a clay pot and place rice noodles on top. Put a sprig of basil on top of the rice noodles to enhance the freshness. Cover the pot and pour rice wine over it. Seal with a towel. Fully integrate the aroma of rice wine with the chicken and rice noodles. The taste is simply amazing. Customers line up at this restaurant from morning till night every day. Suddenly one day, a Western restaurant opened across the street. The head chef is Tom, a Michelin 3-star chef from France. In an interview, he even said that Chinese food lacks innovation and is too conservative. His French dishes are not only delicious, the plating is also very exquisite. These words aroused opposition from many people, so a competition was organized. Let the two compete in cooking skills. Paul made a dish called braised flower duck. First, break the duck bones and then cut open the duck's body. A gentle tug separates the duck meat perfectly from the duck bones. Then stuff the ingredients into the duck's belly. The high temperature makes the duck plump instantly. Then wrap it with fresh lotus leaves. Sprinkle with a layer of 82-year-old coarse salt. Bury the duck in the sand. Cook it using the salt baking method. Finally, gently cut open the duck's belly with a knife. It makes people can't help but drool. What Tom made is French cuisine caramelized foie gras. Wrap the foie gras in tin foil. Pour warm water around it and put it in the microwave. After heating and taking it out, torch it for 15 seconds. Cut the foie gras into thin slices. Then heat the sugar. Boil it into crystal clear caramel slices. Finally, color it with the remaining caramel liquid. Use dried pineapple slices as the base. Then use a torch to melt the caramel on top. Take a spoonful of delicious mousse. Indeed, the plating is exquisite and has clear layers. In the end, both scored the same, making it difficult to decide the winner. But the judges, on the grounds that Paul's plating was not exquisite enough, declared Tom the winner. Tom witnessed Paul's cooking skills. He thought he did have prejudices against Chinese food, so he invited Paul to dinner at his restaurant. The first dish served was an ordinary fried egg. Paul thought the other party was insulting him, but after taking a bite, he was amazed. It turns out that this is a dessert made from a variety of fruits. The second dish arrived, and it was actually a pot of potted plant, and when water was poured on it, the vegetables inside actually started to grow. Paul certainly knew it was a growing salad, but he was still annoyed by this fancy trick. He walked up to Tom, said he came to eat, not to watch magic tricks. Then he wanted to teach the other party how to cook Chinese food. Took out a piece of A5 Wagyu beef, cut into strips, stir-fried the green onions on the iron plate until fragrant, then added the Wagyu beef and kept stir-frying. Took it out of the pan at the most appropriate time. Tom took a bite. It was indeed tender, juicy, and had a delicate texture. He was shocked by its